and today I'm excited to share something very special. This is part of my business health analytics assignment where I built a complete Power BI dashboard to analyze sales performance of a US retail company called Vidhi Superstore Sales. So, in this video, I will walk you through what this dataset is about, how I approach analyzing it, and the visualizations in my Power BI dashboard, and the most importantly, the key insights about sales, profitability, customer behavior, and business health. By the end of the video, you will have a full understanding of how to use Power BI to turn raw data into analytics conclusion that help a business make better decisions. So let's get started. Before diving into the dashboard, let's talk about the dataset itself. So I am using a sample Superstore datasets which contain 9,900 rows as we can see here, and also various columns, and these have transactions from the year 2014 to 2017. Each row in the dataset represents a single product sold in order. There are order details, customer information, location, product attributes, performance matrices. This dataset is widely used in analytics because it covers multidimensional data, realistic business categories, profitability versus discount behavior, region and segment based performance. So, it's perfect for demonstrating how an actual retail business might evaluate performances through dashboards. Let's now walk through the dashboard I built. Here is my dashboard that I have built. So I structured my dashboard into multiple sections so that anyone viewing it can easily navigate. So I will publish it on my workspace and it will look like this. Let's give it a full screen. Here you can see this is my dashboard. So here there is executive summary. That's a quick KPIs I have built. It's a sales overview, trends over time, category and subcategories, regional and state performance we can see over here, customer insights we can see over here, shipping and operational performance, also profitability. Let's talk about the KPIs I have made over here. This is sum of quantity. It tells around 37,000 units across all product category, and total profit. The overall net profit usually around, and this tell us whether the company's pricing and operations are healthy or not. So what are the key insights we can take from this KPIs are: sales look strong but profit margins are lower, which signals potential operational inefficiencies or heavy discounting. High discount rate do not always translate into higher profits, but a profit is heavily influenced by product type. Some categories consistently lose money. This set the stage for deeper analysis. Let's look out for the sales over time, monthly or quarterly, majorly for the quarterly, as I have set it here for the quarters. So we observe for the quarter 4. So when we select quarter 4, we can see there is a great sale. Sales shows a steady upward trend year over year. The quarter 4 spike is very clear. Holiday season drives sales significantly. Typically, November, December are the strongest month across all years. Also, we can see the profit it gain. Profit does not always move in line with sales, but periods with high discounting shows dip in profit when the revenue is high. Some months have positive sales but negative profit, which is a red flag for the business health. What we can conclude out of this? So this means the company relies on seasonal peaks. The business may need to examine product level pricing, especially during peak period. High discount campaign do not always pay off. Now let's look into category and subcategory performance. So I have created a bar chart for sales by category also here. sum of profit by category. So we can see the superstore has three main categories, that is technology, furniture, and office supplies. From most superstore analysis, we observed that technology has the highest profit despite not having the highest quantity sold. Also, furniture brings here high sales but very low profit, sometimes negative in some subcategories. Office supplies has steadily sales but profit declines sharply in subcategories like binders when discounts increase. So, here's what analysis reveals. Top performing subcategory with high profits are uh, copier, phone, accessories, which drive most of the company's profitability. Also, the worst performing subcategories can be here tables, bookcase, and binders. This category should be reevaluated in terms of pricing strategy, discount policy, or vendor contracts. Now, let's move to the second page. This is the second page of analysis. Next, I included a map visual showing sales across the states. Also, we can observe the superstore operates in four regions, that is Central, East, South, and West. Here's the typical insight from this, that West region performs the best overall in both sales and profit. When we see about East region also generates strong revenue. When we goes towards the central region, this central region often suffers negative profits. But the south region, it shows a moderate performance. So there is also a state level of, once we clear it, here we can see it also has a state level observations, like California and New York are the biggest revenue contributors. Texas, despite high sales, often shows negative profit. Also, smaller states like Wyoming have low sales but surprisingly good profits. So, what are the recommendations we can give? It can be reduce heavy discounting in Texas and central region. Also, explore expansions of profitable states. Investigate logistic and inventory issues and underperforming regions. Now we will see customer segment analysis. Superstores sell to three customer segment, that is consumer, the corporate, and the house or home office. So what are the key insights we can take from this? The consumer segment represents the biggest share of the sales, over 50%. Also, the corporate segment has the most balanced relationship between sales and profit, and the home office has smaller sales but is relatively profitable given lower discount use. So from this we can easily see the consumer behavior patterns. Consumer tends to purchase more frequently but responds strongly to the discounts. Corporate client buy in bulk but requiring careful inventory planning, and the home office customer shows loyalty but spend less overall. So what are the recommendations we can take from this? Create targeted marketing strategies for each segment. Also, we can offer loyalty rewards for repeat home office buyers. Also, we can use data driven discounting for the consumer segment. Now let's look towards the sales by ship mode. This part include a bar chart of sales by ship mode. So, what insights we can take from this? The most used mode is the standard class, which is economical. Then there is second class and first class shipping increase cost but don't increase profit proportionally. Faster shipping mode sometimes correlate with lower margins. So, what are the operational risks we can take? Lead time should be monitored, especially during holidays. High shipping cost product like furnitures often become unprofitable. So, what recommendations we can take? Encourage low cost shipping options through checkout incentives. Adjust shipping fee for heavy categories like furniture. Now we will move towards the third page, that is the sales forecasting page. Here we can see there is sales from to January 2017 to December 2017, but we can judge the sales forecast for from January 1 to 15 January. Here we can see the forecast of sales easily through Power BI. And this is a sum of sales by state, in which state the maximum sales have taken over. Now, to summarize the overall business health, there is first that technology is the most powerful and profitable category. That is, phone, copiers, and accessories should be promoted more. The furniture need more attention. Tables and bookcase lose money due to discount and shipping cost. Discount strategies hurting profitability, particularly in central region and in Texas. Regional imbalance exists. West region drives most profit, while central region needs strategic review. Customer behavior varies by certain segments. Also, shipping cost affect the profits, especially for bulky furniture items. Overall, the company is growing in sales, but profit leak exists and can be fixed by smarter discounting, region specific strategies, focusing on profitable product, streamlining shipping cost. So, let's go out of this screen. This was my Power BI dashboard. So that's a wrap up for my full analytical walkthrough of the Superstore sales dashboard and Power BI. Thanks for watching.